Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to another video. Well, after adding OnePlus Nord to my daily drivers, I thought it's time to give a shot to the all new OnePlus Buds, as they are the most closely coupled earphones you can find in this market for OnePlus devices. From software updates to better sound tuning, you can make the most of these earphones with a OnePlus device in your hands. And these are priced quite nicely in India at around 5000 rupees or so. But are these worth your time and money? You'll get a clear answer to that in the upcoming videos. But for now, let's do a quick unboxing and have a brief look at the OnePlus Buds, the latest true wireless earphones from OnePlus. So I have used a pair of OnePlus Bullets Wireless 1, 2 and Z. And out of them, OnePlus Bullets Z are the most value for money product you can buy. But if you are looking for good true wireless earphones, this is one of the good options. Anyways, for this short unboxing, first we have a similar box in this OnePlus red color. And here, we have the OnePlus Buds in this pure white color. And to be honest, this case feels quite good in hand with its matte finish as compared to even the costlier ones. Keeping the case aside, we have another box with USB Type-C cable for charging and some paperwork. So that's all we get in the box. And before we proceed, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you haven't already to get the latest notifications from this channel. Now coming back to the earphones, well, the case looks like the one we have with Pixel Buds, and the earphones look like AirPods. So basically a hybrid of both those earphones. We get a tiny LED on the front with this pairing switch on the back of this device. And fit and finish wise, they seem really good. But do keep in mind that unlike other earphones, these might fit differently. You can test them out with the AirPods type of earphones first, and if you feel comfortable in them, then go for these. As the fit is more or less similar, for me, these fit better than AirPods. It's time to pair them with the device, and it's an easy task if you have a OnePlus or any Android device, as these have Google Fast Pair just like Realme Buds Air and Neo, so that's a good thing to have, as these get mapped to your Google account, so no need to pair them again and again. So after pairing, first of all you will get some OTA updates for these buds, so go ahead and do them. I have tested them for quite some time before the update as well, and these updates will fix some of the issues that these might already have. So we are all set now, as these are running on the latest firmware. After this, you can set up Find My Device, and this way you can see where you had them before they got lost. Or if you know they are somewhere nearby, then just ring these with the given option and it might help you out. So what else can you do? Well, if you don't like the default controls, you can change them, but this can only be done with the OnePlus device. And overall audio quality wise, well, it has decent bass and treble. Though the bass isn't that much, but it's more than enough for me. I like how they sound, and in my short time with these, well, I had no issues with connectivity as such. But I am a bit disappointed with the microphone quality. And before I test them out for full review, that will come really soon, here is an audio sample with the internal microphones of these OnePlus Buds. Hey everyone, so this is an audio sample recorded using the internal microphone of OnePlus Buds. And this is before the update. And there is no ambient noise nearby, so yeah. And this is an audio sample with the fan running, so you guys be the judge and let me know how you find the noise cancellation of these earphones. So the microphone quality isn't that good if you compare it with the competition, and I'll be testing it out more, so stay tuned. Also, they are said to last around 30 hours with the case, and I'll be testing that claim too for the full review. And that was it for this review. Do give it a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next one.